Right here at the Nanny Falls in Portland. You know the vibes, look at that. Really amazing babies out there somewhere in the water, as you can see.
I know you need a holiday. Let's go away for 6 months, twice in a year, baby.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Yes, Rasta, welcome back to our channel. So today, guys, the plan is to go to Moortown, to the Nanny Falls. Alright, it's a very interesting place. Nanny is a hero of Jamaica, the only female hero in Jamaica, you understand? So yeah, we're gonna go check it out. Never been there before, you know, it's my parish and thing, but I never been there, so it's gonna be an experience, you know. And yeah, let's see what else we do for the day.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
all right,
let's do that. So journey with us.
Ah, yeah. It's Island Boy again. Rasta Boys Society, yeah. Alright then. Oh, what a day now. Today is just my blessing day. No one can spoil it for me. Today is just my blessing day. I don't care what them say. If you fall, don't you cry. Just get up again. This is real, this is life. Just get up again. My morning looking brighter. All the weight drop off my shoulder. Enough of them claim them no like us, but still can't push us out, yeah. The good and time will provide. You know if you make them no wiser. No, been through the worst, I'm still never dead. That mean I'm a real survivor.
Okay, guys, so we're heading to the Nanny Falls, and we're here with our tour guide. Guys, remember when you come in here, you need a tour guide, alright? Because you cannot find the falls without a tour guide. Alright, so that's what's up. Yeah, so we're heading there, you know. Gonna see what it's like and share the experience with you guys. Hola, mi chica.
Oh, hello. Oh, I can hear the water.
Beautiful water, yeah?
Yeah.
That's it says Nanny Falls.
Yeah.
That's where it's running from up here.
Oh.
Do people swim in the...
Yeah.
Nice fresh water.
Very beautiful.
Also jungle and crayfish and mullet and mudfish and sandfish.
Nice.
Yeah.
So, you are one of the Maroons? Ah, cool.
It's not too high, it don't far enough, but it's the way the angle of the river come from.
Okay.
He come from St. Thomas, from Mammoth Bay.
Ah.
From Mammoth Bay to Stony Gut.
For real?
And come through Kunukuno and reach Millbank and take the Janko Mountain.
Wow.
So all these sticks was there at Nanny Falls.
Yeah. Wow. It's amazing.
It's massive, huh?
We live in the community, you have men who work far along, you know.
Yeah.
They carry 100 pounds weight of dashing and planting coming on their back. No
For real. Strong.
Wow.
Full of stamina, you know?
Yeah. Them drink holy for bush.
Yeah.
All those things you see your kids medicine.
Pure natural.
Would have really know them.
Yeah.
So you walk up this hill like it's so natural.
When you reach into the water now, you go into the water, you feel different.
Yeah.
Different.
Yeah.
Different energy. You could have find it all.
I'd never find it.
No way you would have find it. Depends on where you're going, because you don't know where you're going, because probably when you come here, you turn back down about that thing.
Yeah.
Very true.
The sign is there, not a far.
Yeah. That's one reach right out. So we take the little cross, come down. The map, hand this up. Because I use the internet, Google Maps.
Okay.
You're a strong man.
Yeah. You know, I'm 59 years old.
Wow.
Yesterday was my birthday.
Wow.
Yeah. 59 and 2 days. About 1960, 15 of October.
Wow.
But
Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday.
Still strong and healthy.
Yeah, I always try to eat more than me. You know, the people into this community don't go to doctor unless the break or on.
Yeah.
Bush.
Nice.
All herbs and everything.
So you have special medicine for different kind of sickness.
You have men down here can buy medicine. Medicine for harm.
Yeah.
Just want to tell him what's happened to you.
So you guys have like a chief or?
Yes,
Okay.
Whenever we go down back, if we like, we're supposed to go on to court.
Okay.
Wow. Lady filming this, eh?
Yeah. Here he is.
Jamaica is paradise.
Definitely.
And sometimes you wonder why they are killing so many people.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Wow.
Look at that water. Nice.
Come on, cool enough.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, definitely.
Yeah.
Cool it.
Yeah. Oh. Nice.
For real.
Blessing water.
Yeah.
Alright. This is the thing that he takes. This we call this come on. This no want nothing to Japan like anything like any ants.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah,
Now.
any ants can jump.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the thing that they call the carcoon. You take this and make hat, shirt, and pants. So when they finish it now, you do like this. You call this ambush. You do it like this. You do like this. I'm gonna make a hat and just roll it on, then you can take it. So it do it and you do it like this. So you into your green suit. You
I
got
like
things
it.
as one of your soldiers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Simple.
For real.
The pants and the shirt, you see you must be one of your soldiers.
Yeah.
So in the take a gun and go to fire. You have this stick where you take and just cut it.
Yeah.
Your head and break it.
Yeah.
And then sometimes you take the hole and put the stick on it. And then you walk on it
And-
then
yeah.
you drop down into the hole. And sometimes you make nobody else fly up
Stop.
and then your foot is there. And
Wow.
For real. Yeah.
It's so amazing to tell people what happened.
Yeah.
It's what we learn and it's what happened.
For real. Harsh reality, you know?
Yeah. If you hear them talk about something we call blue jaws.
Yeah,
to take the
yeah.
cocoa and great and
Know about it, yeah.
And this you take this
Yeah.
and wrap. Alright. Now just me. The man. You have really little things them like in potato and we go and use it. You do it this way.
Mm-hmm.
You do it this way. You fold it this way. Fold it this way. And you can show this little thing in.
Yeah.
Whatever you have it put.
Yeah.
Then you put it this way again. And then you have a piece of string like this.
Yeah, wrap it up. Tight.
Ah.
Yeah.
And you tie it then. And you put it into the pot.
Yeah.
And then it boil and then it swell up. And then you
Yeah.
this way thing.
Very nice.
This is the time. This is the palm. This is the tree that you were yesterday. This is the palm tree.
Okay.
You tap up it up there where you see that tree. You cut it down.
Yeah.
And you get the inside of it.
Yeah, like the art of it. Yeah.
Ah, the
Yeah,
we
yeah.
call it palmitos. Yeah, palmitos in Spanish. I love that. It's
Yeah,
my
man.
favorite.
So
It's beautiful.
It clean out your inside and make.
Palmitos.
Yeah.
Yeah, the heart of the palm.
Here's the part. But you have to do
Oh.
Thank
that
you.
wall and you have to watch me and come like home, come down there.
Okay.
Come to start doing some here. Come down.
Yeah, guys, so we're here right now at the Nanny Falls, you see it? Going down. Yeah. Hola. Whoa, these steps are steep, guys. Whoa, look at the falls over there. Wow. This is crazy.
Oh, this water is cold. Yeah, Jesus.
Beautiful.
Yeah, man, that's beautiful, man. It's so far. So far, the water is coming down. So I'm going to show you how we do it, where you're going to. Alright,
Okay.
cool.
Oh, wow. Yeah. For real. Absolutely. Beautiful. Babe, come on. Oh my God, baby. Beautiful.
All the way up there.
Hey guys, so we're right here at the Nanny Falls in Portland. You know the vibe. The water is really nice, I'm telling you, like, just look at that. Really amazing. Babies out there somewhere in the water, as you can see. And right now we're just enjoying it, guys. Yeah, let me show you guys the view. That's babe right there. Just amazing, guys. Hey baby! There are some tourists up there, they're roasting breadfruit.
This little here is the little stamina here. This.
Yeah.
This little right here. Well, you have to suck out and pit out.
Yeah.
No, you see, you can, if you want, you can eat it if you want.
Oh, really?
If you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go on, let's suck off this. When you hear talk about chocolate.
This stuff,
Chocolate.
you can put it on the fry and
Yeah.
make a cob.
Yeah.
Make
Yeah.
coffee and like a cocoa, chocolate.
Chocolate. So we dry this and beat it into the mortar.
Beat it into the mortar. Yeah, yeah. Nice. I never tried the cocoa like this before. It's beautiful.
Yeah, man, this, we have to
Yeah.
we should put it and wash it off those super part there. Put it into the sun and when it dry now. We have a mortar where we put it in with a little stick. Beat it.
Make coffee and like a drink or something.
The water is cold, but it feels good. Yeah. We're there.
Hi guys, so we're at Nanny Falls. Absolutely beautiful here. Probably make up like running down the aisle for me, but it doesn't matter. But if people are gonna actually come to like, you know, get wet or whatever. But anyways, it's all good. So basically, come up absolutely beautiful here. So peaceful. It actually massages your back, like literally. And I'm very blessed to share this beautiness with everyone, with you, as well as my babes. Because without him, this wouldn't be possible. Thanks, my love. So I'm just going to show you all around instead of like showing me as much. It's very slippery here, so thanks to my stepmom, she gave me her anti-slip shoes. The only problem is I actually slipped, but anyhow, so just got to be really careful. You don't fall and break your leg. Yeah, it's quite dangerous, but anyhow. I'm gonna get up there. Get up there. I'm just a very so basically that's me for you. Alright. So basically I'm here. Babe's down there, he's doing his thing with the camera, and I'm filming up here. Now, down here there's a bit of a ledge, so just got to be really careful. And as you can see, half far away in the distance, mountains over mountains, rainforest over rainforest, and tropical trees, medicines, all that kind of stuff. You know, if you know what you're looking for, you're bound to find it. And if you don't, and if obviously you don't know what you're looking for, better not to touch anything because you just don't know. You know, I'm actually feeling really, really relaxed here. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see going down, up and around. Absolutely divine. I wouldn't say you could slide off the rocks or anything like that, because don't do what I did. I slipped and almost broke my ankle. But yeah, just got to be really careful the way we do things. The babe's having a swim. He's swimming over there. He looks so good. I love bringing him out like this, and we both enjoy each other's company so much. I love him so much, and you know, I'll do anything for him. I love him. He's beautiful. Yeah. So I wish I could swing off the tree and go straight into the ocean. Otherwise, there you have it, guys. Nanny Falls. Wow, what's that?
This is what they call gold. Calabash, that you can eat food out.
Yeah, can make a plate or
Sometimes
all of that stuff out of it.
sometimes they can take it and make a little handbag.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little handbag. And sometimes the bigger one they take it and make hat. It also would use it and big jar to put in water.
Wow.
Useful. Right.
Sometimes when you have a kid, right, and he cannot talk, like him, you know,
Yeah.
you can make him eat out of this. Yes.
Yeah, if you cannot talk.
Yeah, yeah. That's the culture.
I heard about that for real.
You always have to drink water into it.
So the baby has to drink water?
No, if the baby, it take two, like say, you know, baby would take 1 year to talk to mom, and he talks stammer then. You make him eat out of this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
I like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I heard about that for real.
So you really have a little saw there on the market like this, and then you can side. And you have it for a dish.
Okay. Take out the
So
inside.
you can cook it?
No.
You can't eat it?
No, it only can make dish and
You
make
can only make dish, handbags, and that.
bag
From.
and hat.
It
Yeah.
looks like a fruit.
But
wow.
it's pocket. It
Yeah.
come from Africa, it come from all those things there we see, they come from Africa.
From
Yeah.
Africa. Yeah.
Have to be careful on these rocks, guys. They're kind of slippery, some of them. Yeah, of course, my feet got more grip. Of course. I love you too, babe. Yeah, people like carve out their names on the rocks and stuff, like all over. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's real nice. Oh, I just love this waterfall. So far away from, you know, from the town and all of that.
If you wanted to do a poo, where could you go?
It's a bush there. It's a bush there. Bush we shit now.
Can you shit there?
What I mean?
Really?
Of course. I'm not used to that.
You got nothing on me.
Oh dear.
What, Nanny used to do that?
Of course. I'm cold, babe. I don't like cold water. You know that. Jesus Christ, water cold. Water cold. Water cool, water cool. Water cool, water cool. Jesus Christ, water cool people. Oh my God, water cool. I don't know if you guys can see the rainbow that this water is making right now, but it's pretty awesome.
Right here.
Here is one of the car coins. This can make a little. This inside, I want to do and show the inside part.
Yeah.
This can make tea as well, but you have to burn it.
For real?
Alright. The inside part here, what we eat. This is the inside part, what we eat.
Wow.
But yeah, this is the but you can't eat it. It's raw now.
You have to cook
yeah,
it.
Yeah. We made a fire, a wood fire, and put this side on it, and then it burns. And then you put the other
Turn it
side on it,
again.
and then it bursts. When it bursts now, and it cool, you take it out of the fire, make it cool. And then all the skin here come off and you see it all, and then you take your knife now and slice it like how you slice it. And put it into a water for 4 days. And you do that heat like a peanut or quash it, boil it in one now.
Shit.
You have your fish, you steam it and you put it. It's so energy, lots of energy into it.
Wow.
Amazing.
Never heard of that one.
You can't
Never
bring-
had it.
Can't bring this stuff.
For real.
Yeah, but water cool, yeah? Water cool, yeah, yo, people, the water cool, me I tell you. We don't like nothing cool. Oh, Lord. Oh, my Lord. I shrink. Cold water like it shrink. Aha. Okay, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You know the vibes. Alright. Took some pics a while ago. And it was amazing. Yeah. Babe, where are you going? Babe, be careful now. Be careful now. The water is nice, guys. Real nice. And right here, guys, I'm doing a time lapse. I'm doing a time lapse of the waterfalls. The water nice, but you know me already, all in about go coolness. Woo! Amazing, guys. Please
Beautiful.
subscribe to my channel, guys. Click that notification bell. Alright.
Yes.
Let's go now.
Do it, do it, do it.
Yeah. So we're going up back. See you, Nanny Falls. Until next time.
That middle of the corner. This is the thing that we signal. If somebody lost into the bush,
Yep.
you can stay around and we blow it. And you hear the sound and you can hear the sound and take it and make it down. Come on.
Yeah.
This is the time when Nanny lay here and when she born, when she buried. No, I'm a Maroons parish.
Good on her, Nanny.
Beneath this place known as Bomb Grave lies the body of Nanny.
Right here, Nanny. Right here. Sorry, but them can't build this and they want when people come, them can show them.
They can show. So there she is.
Right here is Nanny. Right here. Right here is more recognized on any more parish. But says you don't know how those land is free land. If we could get loan here, like from the government, it would be alright. But they are trying to do in little thing by little because they're trying to fix up the play field.
Yeah.
And they will make the road to go to Nanny Falls. They'll have to do it step by step.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because none of this is government land. This is
No,
all.
all is here for the Brent man, it's for the people in the community.
Yeah.
All granny and the
Yeah.
If you want piece of land here, you come to the colonel. The colonel will give you a piece of land and then you rent a piece of no so.
Okay.
Wow.
And it's easier to have a girlfriend here
Yeah.
and somebody in the community and you will be a citizen.
And you'll be accepted
Okay.
and anything.
That's what the thing says.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, beautiful house they're building there, huh?
Yeah, amazing.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Really. Give thanks for the tour.
Yeah, man,
Thanks,
respect,
man.
man.
Yeah,
respect,
man.
You see a photo, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You recognize me?
Yeah, does he
You see a
recognize?
photo?
Real.
Yeah, he's a porty
Yeah.
boy.
Yeah.
Right round where the craft place that me there. Sometimes I come and go and sell right banana and
Ah.
right where the big grass.
Yeah, yeah. For real.
It's Island boy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl.